Welcome back to our YouTube channel, guys. My name is Audible, and today's video is actually featuring two cars. We've got a McLaren 650s as well as a McLaren 675 LT. We're actually swapping Target Blu Eye from one car to another. So make sure you've subscribed to the channel because we've got a massive 10K subscriber giveaway. We're giving away a brand new PlayStation 5 Disc Edition controller as well as an Audison Premium amplifier. So you guys can actually upgrade the sound in your vehicle. So hopefully you enjoyed today's video. Let's go. The deinstall of Target Blu Eye is fully underway on the absolutely stunning 650s. So what is Target Blu Eye? Target Blu Eye is an emergency service warning device that alerts you guys on the road for all approaching emergency service vehicles that is marked and unmarked. We've got a massive video live on our channel already which goes through a full technical breakdown and also an unboxing video. So make sure you go check that out. Link is in the description below, guys. So the process on today's install, we've actually got two McLarens in today's video. So stay tuned right till the very end, guys, and make sure you hit that subscribe button. In terms of the system, this is a 650s and obviously an absolutely lovely spec. Love the carbon on it, it looks amazing. What we're actually doing is doing a full deinstall of Target Blu Eye. So we actually did this install at our old unit about 2 years ago now, and what we're actually doing is fully deinstalling the system and then going to be moving it onto a brand new 675 LT that is on its way later on today. So the customer purchased a new McLaren, we're taking this kit out and moving it to the next car. So a lot of our systems that we do are fully transferable between car to car. What we actually did on this car in terms of the install, the video is actually live of the original install that we did on this car. It didn't have a couple of the carbon bits on it, but it looks spectacular now as well as it did before. What we've done is actually, this is the factory McLaren mirror in my hand. So as you guys can see, it's got the McLaren badge on here. This is the factory mirror. What we've actually done is mounted two little buttons underneath. And then actually inside the glasswork here, we've actually mounted the display into this factory mirror. So you've got no display set on the dashboard, on windscreen. It's actually fully integrated into the factory mirror, which looks spectacular and it performs so nicely. So what we're actually going to be doing is doing the deinstall now this morning. And then what we're going to be doing is as that new car comes in, we're going to be putting this mirror in the new car. And then we're going to be taking that mirror from the 675 LT and putting that into the 650s. And then this is going up for sale. So this, I believe, is going up live on Collecting Cars. So make sure you go check that out. Not sure when that will be, but make sure you go check it out. It's a superb example of a car. Plus, obviously, as you guys know, the installation has always been done to the highest possible installation standards. Obviously, this is now obviously going to be turning into an install. So later on in the video, you'll see the next car up and running. But otherwise, let's crack on with the rest of the install. Target Blu Eye has been fully deinstalled and all returned back to stock on the 650s, but now it's time for the amazing 675 LT to have its installation carried out. What we've been running today, what Carl's been working on, is running a cable for the antenna all the way to the front wheel arch here. The tub is out to run the cable alongside manufacturer wiring to do it to the highest possible installation standards. Then we've actually taken feeds from the fuse box at the back, and again, it takes so much time to actually get through cables run to run everything really neatly. Obviously, with the car that it is, it's very important that the install on any car for that matter is done to the highest possible standard, just like every car that leaves here is. So it's very important that that's basically run alongside manufacturer wiring into a control box. On this particular install, control box gets mounted in the passenger footwell, right up, hidden away, so you can't see a thing. Obviously, what we've done, obviously you saw earlier in the mirror being actually removed from the 650s McLaren, now being moved into this 675 LT. So we've actually taken out that mirror completely and just swapped it into this car and put this mirror into that car, and nobody would know any different. They are completely the same mirror on this car to the 650s. Plus, obviously, that integration into the mirror works seamlessly as well. So you've got nothing stuck on the dashboard at all. Obviously, Carl's working away on the car, not too far off from actually finishing the install now. However, we've done engineering mode on the product, which basically tells us sensitivity and how that's actually performing. It's performing inch perfectly, and that's down to the install quality that we have here, but also down to location, RF noise interaction with the actual vehicle itself. Plus, obviously, we've got the antenna mounted in the front. After this, it'll all be tested, thoroughly tested, run through everything with the customer. Obviously, he's using this product in majority of his cars, and it is a phenomenal piece of kit. In So Target Blu Eye, once again, guys, alerts you guys of all approach emergency service vehicles that is marked and unmarked. It's about 80% accurate, and obviously, as you guys know as well, we've done a full video, link in description below, guys, but it's a full video on actual product overview, as a bit more of a technical guide on how the system actually works. But today's video is focusing on the 2 installs. Really happy with how the install's gone today, how we've done the deinstall and reinstall all within one day. So thank you very much for watching today's video, guys. Hopefully you've enjoyed it, and also make sure you hit that subscribe button so you don't miss any more of our future videos. Thank you very much for watching. We'll see you soon.